Are Credit Suisse shares a bargain, or is it something you should avoid? Well, of course, there's been rumors about Credit Suisse, and it is, of course, the second largest Swiss bank, a massive organization. It's had issues because of losses in recent years, but it's going for a restructure, and the new CEO that was appointed this year says that those plans will come out at the end of October. Is it a price for shares that is actually lower than it should be? The price, according to estimates, is roughly 30% of what's said to be the value of the assets. So just imagine you've got 100 in assets, but actually the share price is saying you're worth 30. What's the reason? Well, it's got losses. So therefore, if it continues to lose money, then of course, ultimately it goes out of business. So that's the concern. But actually, in reality, they can split the bank off into 3 different sectors. And that's what they're talking about right now. The Qatari government has invested heavily into the Credit Suisse in the past. And of course, there's again rumors that they'll back and support the restructuring of Credit Suisse. If it restructures correctly and successfully, of course, the share price has got lots of upside potential. Could it fall? Well, of course, some say that it could. Nothing's too big to fall. However, it's the second largest Swiss bank. It's got massive assets, and it's got the ability to sell assets. For example, it has a hotel in Zurich that they're selling right now, brings in a huge amount to the balance sheet. It can lay off people, it can get rid of the loss-making parts of its business. So there's massive potential for Credit Suisse. Of course, being a Swiss organization, does it have the flexibility? Can it change quickly enough in today's environment? My personal opinion is Credit Suisse is going to be around for a long time. In other words, it's a company that you could invest in and actually you stand to make a profit. However, it is speculative when you buy shares, any shares. Is it something that I'll invest in? Yes, it is. So you have to have a look and see, would you want to speculate on a bank that's got massive assets? Will they turn it around? Okay, or do they have bigger problems, bigger issues? JP Morgan right now, they've upgraded the shares. They say that it's a buy. Okay, I agree with them, but don't forget, always seek financial advice. Talk to a financial advisor before investing. Okay, is it a bargain? I personally think so. Of course, we only know when we look back. Please hit like, please share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll keep you up to date with what's going on in the investment markets, what it takes to be successful in life.